guys, it's Jammer249515, and today I'm going to be giving you a inventory tour. An inventory tour. So first, let's start it with the clothes. Okay. I don't have that much good of stuff, except maybe for this. But otherwise, it's all just kafooey. I don't know what that is. It's just a word I like to say, I guess. And this was rare. This was yesterday's rare Monday. So yeah, Golden Phantom. People say this is beta, and it might be beta, but I'm not sure. Beta 4s. The Claw, Nature Archway, which I'm doing a giveaway for that, and it ends pretty soon, so. I have like 2 of these. I think when I first got the Patch of Fog, I thought it was for non-members. When I found out it was for members, I was just really disappointed. Yeah. This is a really cool item for a non-member. Hang on. Sorry, I was just fixing the microphone. Okay, let's put on a little music. Hang on. Turn down. Turn down for what? No! That's a vine. I'm not sure if you heard that, but it was pretty funny. I guess the end. Oh wait, is there like? I guess. Oh yeah, animals. I pretty much only have one of each animals except for the Arctic wolf. But otherwise, that's how I do it. Sorry, it's one of my favorite songs. No one said this would ever be easy, my love. Sorry, it's like I said, it's one of my favorite songs. So, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we have Flutterjack646 and I have giveaways. I'm pretty sure most of them end tomorrow, so try and get in there. Hang on. One of the contests that ends tomorrow is the how many people contest. Hang on. What the heck? It should be here. If it isn't, then, well. Journey's just too far. I always get the words wrong. Like, I know the rhythm, but I don't know. What the heck? It should be here. What? Oh, I posted that, but then I didn't realize that you can change the cover of your video, so I did that. Hang on. Well, hurry up with your homework. Okay, I'm sorry. Try harder! um, well, we looked down there and stuff, and for some reason, it's not here, so we're gonna make a new one once Flutter is done with her homework, and maybe after I make a bagel or something. So, yeah, contest ending soon. 14 subscribers. Who subscribed? How can I be all caught up? Close. I don't know how we have 14 subscribers, but anyways, so me and Flutter are gonna make a new video pretty soon. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.